free traffic for affiliate marketing. Is what I'm gonna share with you today. Maybe you wonder if free traffic is worth getting into and if it really works. Well, I'm gonna show you some methods that will work for you. But the thing with free traffic and any kind of traffic methods, money-making methods you are going to use is that it will not work unless you put in the work, so to say, and keep consistent. And these methods I'm going to share with you will work if you stay consistent, but don't expect too much too soon. So this training program, a newbie-friendly step-by-step training program, was recently launched by Michael Shaney. It's called Partner and Profit, and here are all the modules that you should go through, and you can get started below for less than $10. And what is good about this program is while you're learning from this millionaire how to cash in, so to say, on free traffic and using it, methods that work is that you will earn 100% commission when promoting this this program. That means you will have like a business in a box. You don't have to set up any product, any pages or anything like that. It's all taken care of. All you have to do is drive traffic to this program. Now let's get into check out the training. It's important that you follow the steps in this order, and when you click one of these modules you will have a watch. You click this button to watch the training video and process that you should check out. And also make sure that you have a pen and paper ready to take notes, because that can be a great idea as well to benefit the most from this training. So beneath every video you will have this, or should I say, valuable resources. It can vary a bit. Those resources are depending on what module you are on, but basically what's below every video is this ability to download MP3 audio, download the video as an MP3. You can download transcript of it, and you can download video. Now when I say download video, you can only use it for yourself, of course. You shouldn't share it with anyone because it's a paid product, and here you can register for a live call. So let's move on. So let's start to get your money link. You click that and watch the video, and the video is how to get your money link to get approved so you can make 100% commissions. And step 3, get ready-made promos. Yes, you get a ready-made promo that you just can copy and paste different kind of content that you can use, and you can use them time and time again, of course, and tweak them a bit to have them look a bit different each time. So here's Michael Shaney, he's in all the videos, and here you have the options I mentioned before about downloading it, the video in different ways, and here you click get ready-made promos. Now I can't click that now and show you that, because that would be not right of me to do, because it's a paid product. But you get easy to use copy and paste content to put on social media in different ways. You get what to put in blog posts and on social media sites such as Facebook and LinkedIn. You also get follow-up letters to put in your autoresponder to start to promote this product. So there you have all. And this system, this product, this training is built on totally how to use free traffic. And here you have how to get an audience and how to get content, and here you have might be the most interesting part as I talk in this video about free traffic. And here Michael Shaney talks about that free traffic. Here Michael educates you on what works with free traffic and traffic in general, and here's some resources you might want to check out to get started. Essential list builder, thumbnail blaster, link shortener, and link cloaker, and so on. So yes, there are free trafficking with affiliate marketing that really works, like blogging, posting on social media in different ways. Maybe you want to promote on TikTok. TikTok is very popular nowadays. YouTube videos another way, and so on. But if you want to get started learning more about free traffic methods, then click the link below. And thanks for watching. Bye bye.